Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix resolution in GTA San Andreas. Alright, let's begin. If your monitor supports full HD resolution, like 1920 by 1080, but GTA San Andreas only shows a maximum of 800 by 600 by 32, here's how to fix it. First, right-click on the GTA San Andreas game icon and select Properties. In the new window, go to the Compatibility tab. Now, check the box that says Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, and from the drop-down, select Windows 7, or you can also try Windows XP Service Pack 2 or Service Pack 3, depending on what works best for your system. Next, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Once done, click on Apply and then OK. Now, launch the game and go into the video settings. You should see new resolution options that match your monitor's capability. You can now set it to 1920 by 1080 or whatever your screen supports. So that's basically how you can fix resolution in GTA San Andreas. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.